The Scott index tab cutting machine is an excellent design. It's a heavy-duty model, cast iron frame. The blades on this assembly are in excellent condition, all pre-sharpened and ready to go. In order to adjust the width of your tab, you loosen your lock nuts on the blade cavities, expand them further apart for a 3-to-1 or for a 2-to-1 even if you wanted, and merge them closer together for an 8-up or a 5-up on the side of the tab. Just by locking these down in both positions, you're set back again. You have to make sure your clearance of your blades is proper so each blade matches each other, since it does work on a scissor action. But these blades retail around the $1,800–$1,900 range, are in excellent condition. When your top is up, which is what you set your alignment by, it releases a switch to avoid the cutter from working. Your top is totally adjustable from side to side for your stop position, for where your stop aligns with your index cut. There's lock mechanisms under the table here that allow you to lock it in place to start your cut position. We have two different types of cut positions available, or not really positions, two different types of cutting mechanisms available. One of them is the foot pedal. Foot pedal operation. So you stick your tab in, your material in to be cut, hit your foot pedal, and your material is tabbed, ready to go out. And of course, wherever you set your stop position is determines where your tab is on the sheet to begin with, all the way up to the edge. So it's very simple on the setup procedures. The next setup is by flipping a switch under the table. And when you flip the switch under the table, it carries you to another setup position. The other setup position allows you to use the back switch. So that way you insert your tab material, push it forward, and it cuts. Insert your tab material to its stop, push it forward, and it cuts. Very simple operation. So you either have a switch actuator here, or you have a foot pedal actuator at your foot. Once again, the Scott index tab cutting machine with a high production mode. The average cut is done by parties utilizing single sheet cutting at a time. The units can cut up to 4 or 5 sheets with a good clean cut. The more sheets you stack into the unit, then the more capability you have of getting a dull looking or ragged edge. But it has no problem at all cutting multiple sheets of paper at one time. It's just making sure that you keep a good clean edge on your cuts.